Isn't this on our quiz?
Yeah, this one was on your quiz. So on 28, graph 5x minus 2y is greater than or equal to negative 10. All right, you have to solve for y. So minus 5x minus 5x. Negative 2y is greater than or equal to negative 5x minus 10. So yes, this one is on your quiz. You're not going to take it. It's on your quiz for today at the end. You can't combine them because the 10 doesn't have an x.
What do you do with it?
You just write them right next to each other.
Wait, so why did you have to move it though?
Because we're solving for y so we can graph it.
So it'll always be like that for this kind of problems?
And then we want to get y by itself, so we're going to divide by the number in front, divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. So y, what do you have to do when you divide by a negative number? Switch the sign. So less than or equal to 5 over 2x plus 5. Negative 10 divided by negative 2 is a positive 5. Alright, so then you are going to plot your point at 5, which I know is kind of hard to see. Actually, I think it's right there. And then you're going to go up 5 over 2 for your slope. Is your line solid or dotted?
Solid.
Solid, because you have the line. And are you shading above or below? Below, because it's less than. So is negative 3, 5. Negative 3, 5 is like right there. Is that a solution?
Yes. No.
No, it's not in the shaded region.
Wait, negative 3, 5?
Negative 3.
Oh. I'm looking at the other one.
So wait. Is this for grade?
If you finish it all the problems, I'll drop your lowest quiz grade. But other than that, no. All right, I think I meant to do that one, but that's okay. Go down to number 36. Sides of the triangle are in the ratio 5, 12, 13. What's the length of the longest side if the perimeter is 135? So I have this triangle. Ratio means multiply. 5x, 12x, 13x. And I know the perimeter is 13. So you're going to add up all of the sides. 13 plus 12 plus 5, 30x. And it's going to equal what? 135. Okay, divide by 30 to solve for x. And so x is going to equal 4.5, 4.5. All right, and so I want to know what the longest side is. So which one am I going to plug 4.5 into? Yeah, the side with 13. So 13 times 4.5. So the longest side is going to be 58.5.
How'd you get 4.5?
135 divided by 30.
I got 9 over 2.
It reduces to 4.5.
How'd you get 30?
13 plus 12 plus 5 is 30. Does that make sense?
How do you reduce?
Okay.
Yellow button, enter. All right. I know it doesn't seem like it, but we are almost done. All right, 38. A radio control helicopter ascends at a rate of 35 feet per minute from Celebration Park with a starting elevation of 2,400 feet. Write an equation to model the helicopter's elevation as a function of time. So we want to write it in the terms of mx plus b. Now on this problem, I'm not given points, so I can't do it with the calculator. I just have to write my function. Remember, b is where you start, m is your rate. So where am I starting at?
Yeah, 24,000.
24,000. Is it positive or negative? Positive, because it's an elevation. All right, and for the slope, what's my slope? 35, and is it positive or negative? Positive, because you're ascending. And that's all you have to do. I just want you to write an equation.
Wait, what does M stand for again?
Slope, your rate. Like something that you're going to multiply by. All right, you ready for 40? Okay. After 5 months, the number of subscribers to a newspaper was 5,225. After 9 months, the number of subscribers to the paper was 7,049. The total number of subscribers is dependent on how many months the paper has been in business. Write the equation to model the number of subscribers as a function of time, and then predict the number of subscribers in 1 year. Okay, so we need to create a table here. Because it doesn't give me a rate, it doesn't give me a starting value. What it gives me are data points. All right, what are my X values going to be? Are they going to be the number of subscribers or the months?
Months.
Months, and then subscribers are going to go here. So tell me what are my data points? 5. And how many subscribers in 5 months?
5,222.
Good. And then the other one will be 9 and 7,000. Good. So this is also on your quiz today, which you're going to take here in 2 seconds.
Questions are on the quiz.
2.
What?
All right, so pay
Wait a
attention.
minute, what?
Pay attention.
If you get one wrong, you fail.
All right, so you're going to go to new document. You're going to do the list in spreadsheets. You are going to put your data points in 5225, 7049.
But how you get to it that way? But don't you all plug in the X for the M?
Plug in the Y for B, X for A, menu, statistics, stat calculations. We're going to do MX plus B. You need to use your drop-down menu to label your X list and Y list. Hit enter, and your answers pop up right there. So to write it as a function of time, as a function of time, S is going to equal your M, which is 456 times T, plus your B, which is 945. All right, so that's your equation. Now the question says, predict the number of subscribers in 1 year. So what am I going to plug in for T?
12.
Very good, 12. Thought that might trick some of you, but guess not. 12, because there's 12 months in a year. Type it in your calculator and you get 8,417.
So it's gonna be a question.
Mm-hmm.
If you're gonna try, it's pretty fun.
No.
Can you go back?
Wait, what was that?
Sorry. On your review, 42 is the same thing. You just have more data points that you need to type in.
Wait, so what was the other question line? Under what? Was it
29 on your, or 28 and 29 on the review. Yep. All right, and so 42 is the same thing. You just have these other data points, and when you do it, this is the answer you get.
Wait, what is, so does 10.25 round to 10.30?
Where are you looking at?
It says round all values to the nearest 100. So how would you round these?
Oh, hundreds is 2 spots. You don't have to round them. If you wanted to round your answer, you would just round it to 2 spots. 8.78x plus 22.50, and then that would round up because 9 is bigger than 5.